Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Design Hub. Subscribe my channel for mechanical design videos, and today we are going to learn how to assemble the BIBCOCK type water tap in SolidWorks. Let's go to our topic. So at first we come to SolidWorks 2016. At first you have to click here, then go to the assembly, then just browse the different parts that I have made earlier. That is the tab, that is the tab 3, tab 4 and tab 5. That is the 4 parts that have to be needed to assemble the drawing. Just click here, open. This is the all parts. Okay, now just make the background plain white and go here, custom options, documents, units, millimeter. This is the 4 parts. You have to just insert all the components here. There are the 4 components. This is the cap portion, this is the washer, this is the ring, and this is the main body. So at first you have to go to for the mate option. This is going to be the simple mate. Select this surface and this surface, that will be concentric. Click here, then go for this inner surface and this inner surface, and it will be also concentric. Okay, done. Now just I'm going to make these two. Select this surface and this surface, that is also concentric, and made this surface and this surface, that is be concentric. Now it is okay. Now just select this surface and this surface. Now you have to go for the advanced mates and mechanical mates. Go for the screw. The distance will be covered in one revolution will be 5 millimeter, as the pitch of the thread is 5 millimeter. Click here. It's okay. Now just make rotation of these. It will go inside. Okay, if we see it, from section view, you can see that. Just pull it up, pull it in, and click here and make it normal. You can see that if we rotate this, it goes down, but this is the last range of it. Just see, this is the washer, this is the main tooth portion, and this is the handle, and this is the thread main body. The water is coming from this side. If it pull out up, the water go inside and come out from here. This is the simple design of water tap BIBCOCK mechanism. Actually this is the BIBCOCK mechanism. So in the section view, if you go for the exploded view, Just click here one time and make it upside. Just go inside, make it upside. Just click here, I have to make it more up, then this will be much up, then here are the another portion that will be up. This is going to be the exploded view of assembly of BIBCOCK water type valve assembly. And if you want to know how to draw this main part of the bodies, please comment below and subscribe my channel and comment another designs which you want to learn. Just click here, tick here, and if you make exploded view another tick, it will be joined again. Okay, this is the 4 parts, and subscribe my channel for latest mechanical drawing videos, and thank you.